Hello guys, welcome to Learn School Online. Today we learn JavaScript variable, mutation and data Corecion. So we start JavaScript variable manipulation. First we learn join two variables. Second, define multi-variable. Third, add variable in statement. Fourth, change value of predefined variable. Fifth, store variable value by prompt function. Six, use alt function in JavaScript. So we start all these things by code. Now I open my editor which I am using bracket. Now I'm start code and define the type. Now first I show you how to add two variables value in JavaScript. So first I define var first name John, and after defining first variable I am defining age 38. Now I am combining the both of variables and show the result in console log. Now I open my browser, open the inspect. See John 38. They are both are combining, and the code is here. The console log first now is John, and second variable is 38. The first variable value is John, is showing John, and the second variable is 38. You can also get result with a space like John and then see John 38. I clear the window in Chrome browser. You have to put clear function use for a clean all the past results and see and make it refresh. See John 38. It is a output of that. This is the first output. This come John 38, and this is the second output. This come John 38. I put the space. Now second, I'm show you how to define a multi variables without a value in JavaScript. Now var married, comma, last name, comma, country, comma, state. Now all these variables are defined for a single using var. You can also define multi variables with a single line with a single defined var JavaScript predefined keyword. So you have to define all these four variables in a single line with using a single keyword of JavaScript. Now we have to put some value in a JavaScript line like console.log my first name plus the variable name first name and my last name. See, In multivariate, you only define the variable, but you have does not put the value. So you have to put the value in your pre-defined variable which you already defined in up script. Define John. Now this is a value of our variable which is only defined. So we put plus last name. Now see the result in our Chrome browser. Not defined. Oh, sorry, it is the first. So see, my first name is John and my last name is Joy. Now we continue this. My age is, now I put the age variable 38, and then after I put now see the full sentence. My first name is John and my last name is Joy, but we have do not put the space. Now I putting the space. Now see John. Now see, I put the space here, so is space come here, and I also put one space from here, and the space comes here. So you have to put the JavaScript variable within a line in JavaScript. You are also using the prompt in JavaScript for storing the value like user country is equal to prompt. Please fill your country, and you have to console the prompt value which you store in this variable. Like to see in our Chrome browser, see, please fill your country. I put India and see the console results. So you have to store the value by the prompt in a variable. You have to learn in this code. You have to prompt, yeah, this line, and by this line the pop-up come in a window when I refresh the Chrome browser. The please fill your country, and I put UK. And see the UK come in console. So by prompt you have to store the value in this JavaScript variable, and also you have to use alt tag, and you also use the alt in JavaScript, like you have to copy and you have to paste this code and see what happened in a Chrome browser when we use the alt. My first name is John and my last name is Joy. My age is 38. This comes from the alt which we define in this. So in this video you have to learn join two variables to define multivariable, add variables in statement, change value of predefined variables, store variable value by prompt function, and use alt function in JavaScript. I also deploy one more change value of predefined variables. Now, if you have defined in upper age 38, now I can change the pre-value of age is 43. Now I make it old age. See 43. Now see that the age value is changed because I have changed the age value after this code on age. If I put this before the changing the value, see what happened. First I deleted the previous old and put it comment. What happened? I put the age before the changing value of the variable and also put the old in after the changing the variable. See what we happen. Sorry. Now see. First 38. It is a pre-value when where I change the JavaScript variable value, and 33. It is the value when I change the value. Doesn't need to put var. You can also you only put the age and it's work. So you have to change the variable store value after anywhere in the code. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. I hope that you watched my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icons for more getting updates. Thanks.